now you know my real face, huh? Yeah, my last video, I deleted it, but I did this. That was it. I actually sneezed and actually did that. So, yep, so now you know. So, good.